Balita ko, hirap na hirap ka pa rin mag-install ng mga Google Apps dito sa mga Huawei devices mo. And probably the reason is hindi ka nanonood ng mga tutorial ni Gadget Sidekick. Before, we've done a tutorial on how to install all of your favorite Google apps sa Huawei devices. But of course, siyempre, meron mga updates na nangyari. So today, swerte mo, gagawin natin uli ng panibagong tutorial on how to install all of your favorite Google apps, papaganahin natin, and I'll be using the Huawei Nova 11 Pro as my sample device para pakita sa inyo kung paano installin ang mga favorite Google apps ninyo. But it also works on other Huawei devices with EMUI 13. Tara, simulan natin. One of the first step na i-recommend sa inyo na gawin ninyo is to go to settings and of course, i-log in nyo ang iyong Huawei ID. Just to make sure na naka-customize siya just for you. So some of the simple steps na gagawin lang natin, no, all you need to do is to go to the App Gallery. Pag pindutin nyo, makita nyo, there are a lot of featured apps dito, but we'll just get some of the apps na kailangan natin, no, yung mga lagi nating ginagamit. Okay, so pwede nyo tinan dito sa mga top apps. Okay, so basically most of them are already here. So what I need to do is pipindutin ko lang install. Okay, so pag pindot mo ng Gmail, pag i-install mo, tatanong siya, no, the following apps needed to be installed to run Gmail, si Gbox. Ito ang pinaka-importante, no, na app na kailangan mo install to run yung mga Google-related apps natin. So, kailangan mo install, just press install. Ganun kasimple lang, sarili na siya tatakbo, no? So, I'll be installing the top few apps dito na makita nyo, no? Gmail, si YouTube, okay, sarili na siya, si Messenger, si Facebook, then na-download din natin si BPI. So, let's just search BPI, then just get lang natin. Okay. So, agree lang tayo dito, no, sa Gbox. Kasi importante ito, no, para patakboy natin ang Google-related apps natin. Okay. So, hanapin lang natin si BPI. So, next is, of course, tatanungin sa'yo, no, kung gusto mo install ang Google Play Store nyo, just log in, gano'n kasimple lang. So, yeah, I'll be logging in my account. Just to show you na talagang gumagana ang Google Play Store dito, no. So, kailangan ko lang na install. Pindutin mo lang install. It's just simple as that. Okay. Yan, installed na si BPI. So, we'll run it a little bit later. So, i-download din natin si Netflix, no. Yan. Install. Tumatakbo, fully working si Netflix. Yan, so you can sign in dito. Okay? So, in case na hindi siya gumana, there's a method kung how to make it work. All you need to do is just go to Gbox dito. Punta lang kayo dito sa tatlong stripe dito sa taas. Okay? Pindutin yung settings and reset na itong ano niya, no, the virtual machine. Confirm. So, reset na siya. Then, you just simply need to log in again sa inyong Google Play Store. So, you just need to re-log in lang, no, one more time just to make sure, no, na gumana si Netflix. So, yan, nakita na Google Play Store, gumagana, no. Lahat ng gusto mo install is nandito. So, it's just hidden inside Gbox, no. Then, try lang natin paganahin si BPI kung gagana siya, no. And it's going to be loading. Next. Get started, no. So, try lang natin mag-log in. And, yes, it's functioning. So, since wala naman ako BPI account, no. So, I think many users have told me na gumagana itong BPI app sa kanila. So, not much of a problem. So, we'll just head on off sa outdoor, sa labas. So, in case na hindi nyo alam kung saan nakatago ang Google Play Store, kasi hindi nyo makikita dito sa labas, no? What you can do is go inside Gbox and makita nyo na si Google Play Store. And pwede mo ring gawan ng create a shortcut dito. Paglabas nyo dito sa home screen, makita nyo na nandyan na si Google Play Store. It's as easy as that. So, hindi mo na kailangang pumasok sa Gbox just to look for the Google Play Store na icon. Now, just run some few apps dito, like si YouTube. Okay? So, tingnan natin kung gumagana nga ba siya, no? So, yan. Kita nyo guys, oh. Gumagana siya. So, just quickly watch a quick video dito na mga shorts. Seraphim, one of my favorite go-to na shorts. if you are following me sa mga videos natin, no? One of the upcoming na groups, no, na K-pop, which very okay ang kanilang music, no? Other than si New Jeans, this is one of their latest videos. Nanood pa sila ng game ng Lakers versus Clippers, no? Now, since nakita natin si YouTube is working, let's check Gmail. So yan, nakita na natin na gumagana si Gmail. So I can right now check all of my mails na kailangan ko dito sa Huawei device natin, no? Without any restriction. So isa pang commonly used is Google Maps. So try lang natin paganahin, no? Google Maps. So install lang din natin ang Google Maps dito from the App Gallery. So let's just open Maps. Tingnan natin, no, kung gagana siya, no? Since this is a Google related na app din. So, yan, kita natin, no? Nag-load na. So, just quickly search na NAIA Terminal 3. Ayan, so, gagana na siya. Ganun kasimple. You can ask for direction. You can do whatever you want. You can pinpoint from point to point. It's working ang Google Maps dito sa Huawei devices. Guys, I hope na you learned something dito sa ating tutorial on how to install your Google-related apps dito sa Huawei devices. And this is the Huawei Nova 11 Pro na gamit-gamit natin to make this tutorial. And kung meron kayong mga apps na nahirapan kayo hindi nyo kaya installin, pop it on the comment section below. I'll try to help you on how to install that specific app. So guys, if you find this video helpful, do share it to your friends. And of course, a subscription to this channel would definitely be appreciated. I'll see you soon. And so, ako pala si Richmond, and you're watching Gadget Sidekick. Like and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit that notification bell. For one of my latest uploads, click the dito. And for one of my popular uploads, click here.